Hi folks, welcome back. Today we're going to make one of my favorite Korean dishes, Japchae. Japchae is a dish invented in the 17th century. It is made with fabulous glass noodles and mixed vegetables and meat. Korean people will normally make a huge portion of it and bring it along to gatherings and parties. I'm going to show you how you can make this dish that will feed at least 5 people and for well under $7. What's more, we'll still be using quality ingredients such as steak and oyster mushrooms. Are you excited to make this dish? Okay, let's go. Alright, so let's do a breakdown of the costs to show you how you can make this for well under $7. My costs here in Ireland are in euros, but for the sake of this video, we're going to assume that €1 is equal to $1. First of all, we have the cost of the noodles. We're using half a packet here, so that's approximately $1.50. The steak I got on special from my supermarket, 2 for $5, and we're using only one, so that's $2.50. The cost of the vegetables is going to be about $2, and the remainder, such as eggs and sauces, that's only going to be about $1. And now onto the method. The mushrooms that I'm using are dehydrated, so we're going to need to soak them in warm water for 30 minutes. Soak the shiitake mushrooms. And the black fungus mushrooms. Next, prepare the steak by cutting it up into thin strips. I'm firstly removing the excess fat here. Peel the carrot and cut it up into matchstick-sized pieces. And here are the vegetables already chopped up and put on a plate. So we have the onions, the carrots that we just chopped up, the rehydrated black fungus mushrooms, and the rehydrated shiitake mushrooms. Now we're going to cook the Korean vermicelli noodles. These are found in your local Asian supermarket and they're actually made from sweet potato starch. We'll be using about half a packet so that's about 250 to 300 grams. Boil them in boiling hot water for about 5 minutes. When cooked, take it off the heat and drain the water, but don't rinse the noodles under cold water. Place the drained noodles into a large bowl and add a teaspoon of oyster sauce. A teaspoon of sesame oil, and also a teaspoon of sugar. Mix the flavorings well into the noodles. Heat up a tablespoon of oil and gently fry the vegetables and onions. We want them to be fried but not browned, so we're talking about 3 minutes only. Add the cooked vegetables into the bowl on top of the noodles. Beat the eggs in a bowl with a pinch of salt and fry them in a pan. Roll up the fried eggs and cut them into strips before also adding them into the bowl. Next, we're going to cook the spinach by boiling them for about 3 minutes only. I'm using about half a bag, which is about 100 grams. Squeeze out as much of the water as possible before chopping them up and add them into the bowl. Then it's time to fry the marinated beef. About 5 minutes should be enough. When cooked, add the beef into the bowl. Now we're in the final stretches. Add the sesame seeds, soy sauce and sesame oil according to your taste. About 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to start off with. Give it a good mix with a pair of tongs or with your hands if you prefer, but do give it a taste along the way and adjust for seasoning. Japchae should have a savoury and slightly sweet flavour, and the flavour of the sesame oil should also come through. It can be served either hot or at room temperature, but it tastes the best when you serve it from your favourite bowl. If you're feeling fancy, you can garnish it with some spring onions on top. So that's how you make quality Korean japchae for under $7. There's enough here to serve 4 to 5 people. If you make it and bring it along to a party, you'll be everyone's new best friend. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and let me know what's your favorite way of eating japchae. Do you like it hot or cold? If you've never tried japchae before, then do try making it for yourself. Till next time, bye bye.